In this video, I'll show you how to use the AirPlay feature of your Samsung Smart TV to be able to cast your iPhone screen on the screen of your TV. So let's get started right away. First thing we need to know is that you need to connect your Samsung TV and your iPhone or iPad on the same Wi-Fi network. Then what you need to do is to go on the TV itself, take your remote control, press the home button once to make this menu appear, and then we need to press the left side arrow a few times until we have settings highlighted. Press the middle button here, then we need to go all the way down into General. Select General, go down and select Apple AirPlay settings. If your TV does not have this feature, you won't be able to see it in this menu. Then you need to press the middle button once. Give it a few seconds, and this menu will appear. Make sure that AirPlay is turned on, obviously. Then let me show you another thing. Go down where require code is selected, press the middle button, and here you can choose if you want every time you connect your phone to your Samsung TV to ask a password, or do you just want the password the first time and the other time it will be done without any sort of password. In my case, I just wanted the first time, so I'll leave it here, but in your case, if your TV gonna use by many people, I suggest you use the password every time. Now let's go back. So what you need to do is on your iPhone, you're going to drag down from your top right corner and you're going to notice the settings over here, this small icon, 2 rectangles. You need to click on it, wait a few seconds, and your Samsung TV should appear in this list. So if I look over here, mine is this one, Samsung 4 series. Maybe yours will be Samsung 7 series or 6 series, depending which model you have. So select your Samsung TV like this, and it will ask for a code. The code will appear right on the screen. Mine is 3403, 3403. Press OK. Wait a few seconds, and now the mirroring has begun. You'll be able to see on the screen of your TV what's happening on the screen of your iPhone. And now you may notice that there's a slight lag. Well, this lag depends on how fast your internet connection is. It's not the fault of your Samsung TV or your iPhone if there's a major lag. In some cases, you'll be able to play games, but if your internet connection is not fast enough, you won't be able. And by the way, you can also use your iPhone in landscape mode. This way you will see the screen mirroring taking the full screen. When you're done screen mirroring, do the same thing, drag from the top right corner and click the same icon you clicked over here, press stop mirroring, and you are done. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.